Uncle Leroy back. What's more American than celebrating America's 250th freedom birthday than beers, motors, and things that go boom? Well, that concludes it. Happy birthday, America. Hope you guys all enjoyed America's 250th freedom birthday. We had a blast, and it's awesome to be able to celebrate by shooting off fireworks and being able to do it freely. Anyways, hope you guys all enjoyed your night. Hope you guys still have all 10 of your fingers, eyes, ears, toes, and everything. So anyways, it's awesome that we can do this freely, be able to make silly YouTube and TikTok videos while doing it. But it's midnight. We just shot off the last of our stuff, so I just picked everything up, made sure everything's soaking in water that needs to soak. Went and did a property check, make sure we don't have anything glowing that shouldn't be glowing. And with that being said, I'm going to bed. Anyways, again, happy birthday, America. Y'all have a nice day. Be safe out there.